ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু ইংলিশ ম্যাথামেটিক্স অনলাইন। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, এখন আমরা রায়মার্টিনের কোয়েশ্চেন ব্যাংক থেকে 12-এর রায়মার্টিনের কোয়েশ্চেন ব্যাংক থেকে আমরা এই জয়েনিং, স্প্লিটিং এবং ভয়েস চেঞ্জ করব। থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম থেকে। প্রথম বাক্য কি আছে? দ্য ওয়াটার ড্রিপিং ফ্রম হিজ ফেস, দ্য বয় লুকড অ্যাট হার। দ্য ওয়াটার ড্রপড ফ্রম হিজ ফেস, দ্য বয় লুকড অ্যাট হার। দুটো বাক্য হয়ে গেল। She bent down enough to permit him to stoop and pick up the parts. She bent down enough. She permitted him to stoop. He picked up the parts. Then she reached down, picked the boy up by his shirt front and shook him until his teeth rattled. Then she reached down, she picked the boy up by his shirt front, she shook him until his teeth rattled. Mrs. Jones stopped, jerked him around in front of her, put a half Nelson about his neck, and continued to drag him up the street. Mrs. Jones stopped. একটি বাক্য, she jerked him around in front of her. She put a half Nelson about his neck. She continued to drag him up the street. স্প্লিটিং মানে কি? বাক্যগুলো ভেঙে পৃথক পৃথক করে লিখতে হবে। জয়েনিং এর অপোজিট হচ্ছে স্প্লিটিং। The woman did not wash the boy, nor did she wash the parts which she left behind her on the day bed. The woman did not wash the boy. She did not wash her parts. She left it behind her on the day bed. Next আছে, but the boy took care to sit on the far side of the room where she thought she could easily see him out of the corner of the other eye. But the boy took care to sit on the far side of the room. She could easily see him out of the corner of the other eye. He thought it there, অথবা there he thought it. She heated some lima beans and ham he had in the icebox, made the cocoa and set the table. She heated some, she heated some lima beans and ham. She made the cocoa. She set the table, and he had them in the icebox. As they ate, she made the cocoa, she set the table, and he had them. Next আছে, as they ate, she told him about her job in a hotel beauty shop that stayed open late, what the work was like, how all kinds of women came in and out, blondies, redheads and Spanish. তাহলে they ate একটি বাক্য, they ate. She told him about her job in a hotel beauty shop. She stayed open late there, what the work was like, and how all kinds of women came in and out, blondies, redheads and Spanish. The boy wanted to say something else other than thank you ma'am to Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones, but he could not do so as he turned at the barren stoop and looked back at the large woman in the door. The boy wanted to say something else on other than thank you ma'am to Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones. এক নম্বর বাক্য। দু নম্বর বাক্য, he could not do so। তিন নম্বর বাক্য, he turned at the barren stoop. He looked back at the large woman. তাহলে he turned at the barren আর he stooped একটা বাক্য, আর he looked back at the large woman. Next আছে, the woman still had him by the neck in the middle of her room. The woman still had him by the neck. He was in the middle of her room. The strap broke with the large with the single tug the boy gave it from behind. The strap broke with the single tug. The boy gave the single tug from behind. She was a large woman with a large purse that had everything in it. She was a large woman. She had a large purse. She had everything in it. The boy could hear other roomers laughing and talking in a large house. The other roomers were laughing and talking in the large house. The boy could hear it. She switched on the light and left the door open. She switched on the light. She left the door open. He barely managed to say thank you before she shut the door. He barely managed to say thank you একটি বাক্য, দুই নম্বর she shut the door দিন। Voice says, pick up my pocketbook. Let my pocketbook be picked up. The boy wanted to say something else. Something else was wanted to say by the boy. I would teach you right from wrong. You would be taught right from wrong by me. If I turn you loose, will you run? If you are turned loose by me, will you run? I just want you to run to turn me loose. You are just wanted to turn me loose by me. The boy could hear other roomers laughing and talking. Other roomers apostrophe would be heard by the boy. I wanted a pair of blue Swedish shoes. A pair of blue Swedish shoes was wanted by me. You did not have to snatch my pocketbook. My pocketbook was not had to snatch by you. She switched on the light. The light was switched on by her. The woman did not wash the boy. The boy was not washed by the woman. She heated some lima beans and ham. Some lima beans and ham were heated by her. Now here, take these $10. Let these $10 be taken by now here. Or you are asked to take $10 now here. She led him down the hall to the front door. He was led down the hall to the front door by her, and he never saw her again, and she was never seen again by him. Do you need somebody to go to the store? Is somebody needed to go to the store by you? She cut him a half of her 10-cent cake. A half of her 10-cent cake was cut by her. She still held him. He was still held by her. Synthesis or joining of sentences. The boy fell on his back on the sidewalk. His legs flew up. As the boy fell on his back on the sidewalk, his legs flew up. The large woman simply turned around. She kicked him right square in his blue jean seater. Simply having turned around, the large woman kicked him right square in his blue jean seater. Or the large woman simply turned around to kick him right square in his blue jean seater. Pick up my pocketbook, boy. Give it here. Pick up my pocketbook, boy, to give here. Or boy, pick up my pocketbook to give here. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel who is new on the channel. Sweat popped out on the boy's face. He began to struggle. Sweat having popped out on the boy's face, he began to struggle. Sweat popped out on the boy's face because he began to struggle. তাহলে আমরা এখন জয়েনিং করছি এভাবে। She switched on the light. She left the door open. Having switched on the light, she left the door open. she switched on the light and left the door open. She switched on the light to leave the door open. অথবা কি হবে, she who switched on the light left the door open. You might run that comb through your hair, then you will look presentable. If you might run that comb through your hair, you will look presentable. Or you might run that comb through your hair to look presentable. Thank you.